Today we have a 2023 Mazda CX5 all-wheel drive. It's gray in color, but it's gray metallic. You'll see that when we walk around. It really pops. We just coated this with Revivify's self-healing coating. What does that mean? It means if it gets a scratch, heat will return it back to its normal state. You can't do that with a normal ceramic coating. Being silicone based means it also absorbs and reflects impacts of rock chips, something else that a ceramic coating can't do. And the gloss on this is absolutely out of this world. A ceramic coating does not have the ability to have the gloss that we get out of Revivify, and that's because of the formulation. It's an innovation on ceramic coating. It's kind of, the latest technical innovation, and it has superior gloss, superior adhesion, and like I said, it is self-healing. So let me walk you around and show you what we did to this. This Mazda CX5 may look gray, solid gray, but as you get up on it, you can see the metallic pop with Revivify. It's a special formulation of coating that does many things, one of which is it has a higher gloss value than ceramic coatings, and that's just due to the innovation that has come about. The other thing that it does is it acts like paint protection film. It's made from silicone powder. The gloss is just out of this world. Again, it just kind of looks like a dull old gray car until you get it out in the sun and let that metallic just pop through. Once again, Revivify for the win.